Do you want to sell AI-generated art on online marketplace like Etsy using Midjourney? With today's advanced AI technology and print-on-demand tools, it's simple to create one-of-a-kind designs and make money by printing them on items like t-shirts and coffee mugs and selling them on online platforms with minimal cost. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of using Midjourney AI art for your print-on-demand business. So let's get into it. Before we begin, a common question people ask is, can I use Midjourney for free? Yes, but only for a small amount. The service allows for a certain number of free images, currently 25, which is enough to test the capabilities of the tool. However, if you plan on doing more serious creating, the service offers two paid plans. The first one is $10 for 200 images, and the second one is $30 per month for an unlimited number of images. This can be a great investment for those looking to take their print-on-demand business to the next level and generate a large number of designs. To get started with Midjourney, the first step is to ensure that you have a Discord account. Midjourney is built entirely on Discord, so it's essential to have an account there to use it. If you haven't signed up for Discord yet, don't worry, it's free to do so. Once you have a Discord account, visit the Midjourney website. On the website, select Join the Beta option. This will automatically redirect you to a Discord invite, where you can join the Midjourney community and start using the platform to its full potential. To use Midjourney on your Discord server, first you need to select the Midjourney bot from the user list and then click on Add to Server button. Next, select the server you want to add it to and follow the instruction provided in Discord. Once the Midjourney bot has joined your server, you can start interacting with it by using the command Imagine. A prompt field will appear above your text where you can input what you want the bot to generate. Keep in mind that you need to follow Midjourney's content and moderation policy, which includes keeping the generated images appropriate and PG-13 rated and avoiding any offensive imagery. This policy applies to wherever you use the bot, and it's important to respect it to ensure a smooth experience. When you use the Midjourney bot to generate an image, it takes a minute to process your request and generate 4 options based on your prompt. Once the images are generated, you will see a 2x2 grid of images and 2 rows of buttons appear. The top row has buttons labeled U1, U2, U3, and U4, which are used for upscaling the chosen image. Upscaling an image generates a larger version of the selected image, approximately 1024 by 1024 pixels, and also adds additional details. The bottom row has buttons labeled V1, V2, V3, and V4, which are used for creating variations of the chosen image. Creating variations will generate 4 new images that are similar in overall style and composition to the image you selected. After using a U button to upscale an image, you will have access to additional options. The Make Variations option will generate new alternatives in a grid, similar to the V buttons. The Upscale to Max option will upscale the image to an even larger resolution, approximately 1664 by 1664 pixels. Additionally, the Light Upscale Redo option will upscale the image again, but this time it starts over without adding as much details. The Image command allows for various options to be included in order to customize the generated images. These options can include an image URL, image width, algorithm versions, and switches, which are controls passed to the bot using a parameter. For example, the command image hi there AR32 includes a text prompt and a parameter for the aspect ratio using the AR instruction with a 3:2 value. The AR or aspect switch ensures that the generated image has an aspect ratio as close as possible to the desired one. This can be a reduced ratio such as 3:2 or reducible ratio such as 1920, 1280. If the switch is not specified, the images will have a square aspect ratio, equivalent to AR11. It's important to note that the ratio gets normalized. For example, AR32 is the same as AR1920, 1280, and the resolution will be 384 by 256 for the generation, 1536 by 1024 for the first upscale, and 1920 by 1280 for the upscale to max. Only certain ratios are currently supported, while others are only supported when upscaling to maximum. If the chosen aspect ratio is not valid, the closest supported ratio will be used instead. The imaging command also allows for the use of prompt modifiers, which are additional options that can be added to the text prompt. One such modifier is the no or negative switch, which attempts to remove the specified element from the generated image. For example, if the prompt were no plants, the bot would try to generate an image without any plants in it. Another modifier is the stop switch, which allows the user to stop the image generation at a specific percentage. This percentage must be between 10 to 100 and is useful for stopping generation at a certain point in order to make adjustments or fine-tune the image. If you want to use an image as inspiration when generating a new image, you can attach it to your image command by including the image's web address in the prompt section. To do this, simply type your normal prompt, but then paste the link to the online image at the end of the prompt. You can still add additional text prompts after the link to complement the image. It is important to note that the image URL must be a direct link to an image, and it can usually be obtained by right-clicking on an image and choosing Copy Link Address. The address should typically end in PNG or JPEG if it's a valid image link. When using the image command, it is possible to specify the style of the generated image. If no style is specified, the image will lean towards photorealism. However, it is important to note that language models often ignore negative words such as not, but, except, and without. To achieve the desired image, it is better to use positive descriptions such as blue monkey instead of a blue monkey that's not red. Some examples of styles you can try include a watercolor painting of a tropical sunset, a child's drawing of a nuclear missile. It can be fun to combine two well-defined concepts in a new way, such as cyberpunk Bruce Lee, or vaporware astronaut swimming in a pool, or dinosaur metal album cover. Midjourney allows you to easily download the generated images to your local computer. Once the images are generated, you can click on the image to open it to full size. Then you can right-click on the image and choose Save Image to save it to your local computer. If you're using a mobile device, you can type the image and then tap on the download icon located in the top right corner of the screen. When using AI-generated designs for print-on-demand products, it is important to remove any background color from the image. A useful tool for this is removal.ai, which is a free service that allows you to easily drag and drop your design and have it cleaned up in seconds. After removing the background, you should make sure that the design is large enough to print on products without any issues. To ensure this, we recommend creating a Photoshop file that is at least 6000 by 6000 pixels and then placing your designs into the project. From there, you can add text or other elements to enhance and clean up the design. Once you have finished editing, save the designs as a PNG file and it will be ready for uploading to your print-on-demand provider. We hope that this video gave you a better understanding on how to use AI-generated art from Midjourney for your print-on-demand business. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily generate a design, remove the background, and make sure the design is of a suitable size for printing. Remember to experiment with different styles, prompts, and enhance the image size in Photoshop to get the best result possible. With a little practice and creativity, you can easily create stunning designs that will help your product stand out, leading to a great source of income on your online business journey. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and we will do our best to explain further if necessary. Thanks for watching.